How to use the Clearblue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test. Double your chances of getting pregnant. Before testing, make sure you read the leaflet, and you'll need to know your cycle length. You can work this out by counting the number of days from the first day of your period to the day before your next period starts. Once you know your cycle length, use the table shown in the leaflet to find out what day to start testing. This test accurately tracks 2 key fertility hormones and typically identifies 4 or more fertile days. You will need to test using your first urine after your longest sleep. You will need a stopwatch, and if you are dipping your test stick, a clean, dry container. When you're ready to test, take the test stick out of the foil and remove the cap. Insert the test stick into the holder right away. Line up arrows. Make sure the purple arrows are pointing towards each other and listen for the click. This activates the holder. New cycle symbols will flash briefly the first time you use a test and for the first test of each new cycle. Wait for the test ready symbol to appear. Once it appears, use the test straight away. Always keep the tip pointing downwards during testing and either test in your urine stream for 3 seconds or test in a sample of your urine collected in a clean, dry container for 15 seconds. Don't eject the test stick from the holder. Put the cap back on and lay the test stick flat. Within 1 minute, the test ready symbol will flash to show the test is working and your result is displayed after 5 minutes. You will get one of the 3 possible results. If you see a blank circle, that means today is a low fertility day. There is a small chance of getting pregnant. Test again tomorrow. If you see a flashing smiley, that means today is a high fertility day, and this is a great time to have sex for an increased chance of getting pregnant. Test again tomorrow to find your peak days. If the result shows a static smiley, you've reached peak fertility, meaning today and tomorrow are your most fertile days. Have sex for the best chance of getting pregnant. The smiley will show constantly for 48 hours. You don't need to test again during this cycle. If you try, the holder will not be able to read the result. After reading your result, eject the test stick and throw it away with your normal household waste. Clearblue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test typically identifies 4 or more fertile days. If you have any questions or need assistance, please get in touch through the Contact Us section at clearblue.com.